Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here. Quick video with the Huawei P60 Pro. I finally got a software update after having this device since July. So we're in the 7th month and I finally got a security patch and a software update, which is this security patch right here from November. It's not even from January, it's from November. So I was able to download it, no problem. Got it on and everything. And I will say the phone does seem a little faster now for whatever reason, and battery life has improved a little bit more than what it was, which that is great. But software support, I think I mentioned this before in a previous video about Huawei, because it's a solid phone by far. This is a solid device. It's as solid as any Apple or Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, you name it. This is a solid phone. Huawei makes great products, okay? It's just that they were banned in the US, but you know, and they couldn't use Google services. But other than that, this is a solid device. Now, I will have another update talking about Gbox, and I'll give you a little bit of preview to that, which is now they've added the Google Play Store. You can use that now in Gbox, which means you can get any app now available on Android through Google. You can now get it on this Huawei phone. So I'll talk about that in a different video, but in this video, glad to see software updates, at least one that I've gotten, and it's from November security patch. So that's why I don't keep anything vital on this device. I don't use any banking apps. I don't use any credit card apps. I do use a lot of social media, photos and videos that I use on this, but I do not try to use anything else, okay? That's just a caution that I have because of security patches and software updates are not updated as frequent as you would hope they are, all right? But with that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for this quick video. Just an update to my Huawei P60 Pro. Finally got a security patch after 7 months of owning this. Finally got some software improvements. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.